It's still shooting light.
Right.
Y'all ready to kill some birds?
Way to go.
10 minutes. Y'all be ready. Two of them right on top of us. Oh, those are shoveling drinks. Oh, kill these birds. Oh, I got that one. Let's go. All right, load up quick. How many birds down?
I got one.
One. We might have 3 or 4 down right there. Where? Oh, way up there? Okay, wait. No. Way up top. These ones coming way above us. Oh, get that one, babe. You had 3 bullets? Yes. Yeah, we're gonna have to make a run to the truck to get more ammo. Alright, we got 3 birds down on the right.
I got one down here on the left.
Hey, kill these birds. Nice.
2 more coming in.
I don't want to kill that bird. No, it's a bluebill. All right, now that we can see, let's try to shoot greenheads if we can. Coming in right in front of us, or right off to the right above our head. Y'all can kill those if you want. Oh, Joe. Oh, right in the butt. Oh, good shots, guys. Get him, babe. Hey, you gotta aim. Alright, we got a lot of birds down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Are you able to hold the gun good? And
Yeah, there's several up top.
yeah, kill him. Green head on the left. Nice. 2 green heads. Now let's go. Those are 2. What is it? A green? No, it's a hen. We'll leave her be.
My little.
Her charging handle fell off, Joe. Yeah. Oh, is that a pintail? Oh, I want to shoot a cat. No. Hey, this bird on the water right here on the right. This one, you see him on the right. When he flies, shoot him, okay? When he flies, shoot him. Nice, let's go! Look at all those birds way up in there. Bro, you just shot a pit, let's go!
That's a nice.
Yeah, that's a drake, he's nice too, he's pretty. All right, babe. Yeah, I mean, he came up off the water. If you want to try to walk out there, you can. Yeah, let's grab birds. Man, you just smoked. Dude, I shot both those mallards right there, dude. Both of them came in to mac them. I want you to pick this bird up. How anybody's gonna get around? Look at all those birds, that's crazy. Oh, grab him by the feet. Let's keep him looking good. But pick him up. That is so awesome. Man, that is so awesome. Second duck hunt ever. First day, mallard. Second day, pintail. Look at all these birds. nice. Are we gonna have to call him over here? Dude. Because there's probably 30 birds over there, and they're real compared to our fake ones. So that they see those and then they want to land with them. You know what I mean? And plus the wind is more favorable to land that way. Okay, here we go. Here we go. This might be our pass. That one's down. He's... Babe, can you grab that bird? Take your shotgun. Do you see him land? Bro, those birds worked so long. That was crazy. It has been crazy so far this morning, Joe. Is this what we expected?
We're on the X, man.
Yeah, we're on X. Here, I'll show you what's back here real quick. Morgan's over there. She went to get 2, I think, bull sprigs. We have one right there. His first, like we said. Green, green, green. Couple hens. Those 2 birds flying off right there. And then we got a couple Drake spoonies in here too. I don't know about y'all, but I love me some spoonies. Morgan's coming in. She's got 2 more pintails, and we have to check and make sure that this isn't a pintail before we shoot another one. So, second duck hunt of the year. He's over there bird dogging. He's pretty camouflaged. Oh, he's looking for a... Oh, that was so sick! I think so. I don't know. What the heck is this? It's a bird thing. Were those pellets coming down?
Yeah.
Yo, I didn't even see those. I don't know if I recorded that very well, but I'll grab this bird. Don't vlog and grab birds, especially with your camera, but I'm doing it. This one right here. Got everybody back there behind me. Bird right here.
It's a coyote.
That?
Coyote poop.
There's no way, dude. That is as pretty of a poop as I've ever seen. I wish I could poop that clean. Look at that. It's perfect. I don't know. We got.
That's some Dairy Queen chocolate sauce, sir.
Oh yeah. Got lots of birds. And guys, like I said, we have the AR sitting here. It's too bad it's not camouflage, because like I said, this landowner was very specific when he said he runs hunters off that don't shoot pigs when they see him. Although we did see him this morning. They were too far away for us to get to, for us to actually shoot them before they ran off. They were moving and they went across that coastal field and across the road to land that we can't hunt, but you know.
I'm gonna go grab that shell.
Okay, nice. I'll grab some of these shells real quick too.